To all my tech reviewers, e-commerce sellers, anybody taking video of products, I today wanted to show you a very unique piece of equipment that is going to kind of laser focused on you. What this is a 360 camera spinner that the brand sent out to us to check out and take a look at it. And honestly, this thing was really interesting. I was really excited to try this out, and it's able to help you guys produce better quality with your product, photos, videos, all sorts of functionality. There are lots of different use cases for this, but with that said, let's just jump in and check it out. All right, so let's first dive into what makes a 360-degree camera spinner so cool. Now, this just isn't just about photography turntable. This has got a 43-inch adjustable extension pole, which gives you a ton of flexibility for capturing immersive 360-degree rotating shots. So whether you're doing an unboxing, food photography, or even shooting like something like jewelry, the 360-degree spinner really ups the game as far as offering smooth, nice rounded 360-degree smooth clips, controlled movements with its sliding dolly wheels. It just makes it a new way to shoot really cool pieces of video footage. The best part about it is that it is incredibly versatile. This setup works with both cameras or smartphone, thanks to the phone holder and camera ball head that it comes packaged with, which is really great. Plus, it's super lightweight, made from premium aluminum alloys. So taking this on location or setting it up at home is super easy. Not to mention, it comes with a nice hard case, so everything packages back in here really well. So again, it's designed for taking it anywhere you need to go to get the shots that you're looking for. But now let me jump in really quickly and talk about my experience with it so far. So right away, I appreciated the build quality. It feels durable, but it's easy to handle. I used on a few different shoots and, unboxing a couple things, and you can kind of see some of the clips that I took of a watch, for example. You can do this, you can use it for a lot of different things, but those are kind of what I've been playing with. What you end up with is video clips that are not jerking, they're not awkward movement, or they can just be really nice, clean transitions. They make really cool kind of video. And now if you wanted to do 360 video of something, or be able to capture photos from all angles, it's another great use case for this. But you can see from some of the clips, this thing gets you really nice footage. The other thing that I like about it is that there's a suction cup on the bottom. So if you have a nice smooth table and you're gonna put your product in the middle, you can suction cup this thing so it's not going to move. And then you just basically can pass this thing around the outside and it's gonna get a nice smooth 360 clip around that product, which is really slick. It's got really well built, machined parts. It's, the adjustability, all the different settings that you can use on it. It comes with multiple different mats. You've got a black one, you've got a white one, you've got kind of a leathered texture here, you've got green on here so you can do green screen stuff. It basically comes with all those. Then you can also have the big plate, or you can just have a tiny little plate just like that. So it comes with everything. It comes with all your adjustments, all the hardware that you need to kind of put it together. I had it out of the box and up and running in about 10 minutes once I figured out kind of how to do everything. The instruction manual was super helpful for that. But overall, guys, if you're looking for a great way to take some really interesting video clips or just up the level of production that you kindly have with something that's not just this massive piece of equipment, this is a really cool way to do it. But guys, as usual, I hope this video was helpful for you, and I'll see you in the next one.